Today is Friday, April 17th. Days are running together. Quarantine is the longest thing ever. But stay in the house and stay safe. Today I am cleaning the house and going to make buffalo dip. So, come along with me. So here are my ingredients. I have chicken breast tenders, cream cheese, Frank's Red Hot hot sauce original, and blue cheese. So normally making buffalo chicken dip is fairly easy. It still is easy with this raw chicken, but normally I like to get rotisserie chicken and cut it up and take the skin off and then make buffalo chicken dip that way. But the store didn't have rotisserie chicken for me to buy. So instead I got this chicken breast, and I'm going to bake it in the oven and then use that chicken after I shred it up to make my dip. Preheated the oven to 350. It is set, and I'm going to set a cooking time for 1 hour and let you guys see when it's all finished. He's literally doing everything. Get your boyfriend like mine. Okay, so it's smelling so good in here. There's about 15 minutes left. I'm just going to take the aluminum foil off and let it cook the rest of the way. Okay, here's our shredded chicken, all shredded up. Here's the pot that I'm going to be making my buffalo chicken dip in. So I'm just going to add all of my ingredients and then mix it all up in here. I'm also attempting to make a buffalo chicken pizza, so let's see how this turns out. Okay, so far I have added some chicken and some blue cheese. Next, I'm going to add the remainder of my chicken and buffalo sauce that I started to this, and then add some more hot sauce. Alright, we can turn it on first.
Logging and holding the pan for her.
Don't drop my stuff, please.
And she said don't.
Hold it up.
Oh, I was helping you. I was trying to hold it to the side to help you.
I get it, but just don't drop my stuff. I need the rest of the chicken for the chicken dip.
Look at this. She's making buffalo chicken pizza. It looks fire.
It's my first time. This is what it's looking like after I've added the buffalo chicken mixture and blue cheese. Now I'm just going to add some cheese to top it off and then bake it in the oven. Looks pretty good. Okay, I've added some sharp cheese and some mozzarella cheese. And now I'm going to bake it in the oven for 6 to 10 minutes. Looking pretty good. Alright, I topped it off with some more hot sauce and some blue cheese.
Make sure you get that for your IG. This
What do you
looks
think?
fire. It looks fire. I'm trying to eat this now. Forget
You
putting it in
gotta
the
wait
oven.
6 to 10 minutes.
Forget putting it in the oven.
It look good. Alright, so we got 2 minutes left. 1 minute now. this is what our pizza looks like.
Fire.
It's looking good. We got a lot of blue cheese on. The crust is getting brown, and we have a lot of toppings on there, but it looks good. We have a minute left, so I think after the 1 minute's over, I'm gonna add like maybe 3 minutes so it can do the full 10 minutes, and then we'll taste it. What?
Nothing. Just want everybody to see the smile that I see.
So next, I'm adding Frank's Red Hot. This is like the signature for it. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna add a bunch of black in there. Like a little over half the bottle I've added. And I'm just gonna mix that in there. So I tasted it and it wasn't as hot as I wanted it to be, so I just finished the whole bottle of the Red Hot, and now I'm gonna mix it in, adding extra whatever I want. So I'm adding some Kobe and Monterey, something Jack cheese.
Yeah.
I just add as much as you want.
Just gives it that cheesy effect. Look, she's being nice and generous. She's just pouring like a little bit, giving out nice little handfuls. Next, she's just gonna turn her hand over in the pot. You're gonna empty the whole bag.
No, I gotta put some cheese on top.
Oh, that too.
I just added some.
Hey, I just convinced her to cut the pizza.
Pizza cutter.
I want no excuses. This is your masterpiece. So I'm not gonna cut it because I didn't want to make a mistake.
Alright. Let's see how it tastes. Ready?
Yeah, pick that piece up. Pick that piece up. You could get that in the vlog.
It's not gonna fall off.
Get that little ooze.
This one looks good.
Yeah, that. Yeah. Yeah, get that drip. Get that drip. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. It's a lot of sauce, but very good.
Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna give me a piece. Give me a little piece. Get a little bite.
What you think?
Yeah, it's fire.
It's not too saucy.
No. I need another one.
Okay, I'm glad you like it. Alright, so I put it in this baking pan. And I'm just going to smooth it out so it could be like even a little. It's actually a whole lot. And I'm going to put cheese on top. I'm just putting more of that cheese I had earlier on top. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven. I set the oven at 350 and just gonna put it in there. He had a big job. He's so helpful.
I don't know how we're gonna take it out.
Oh, I don't know. But we're just gonna put that in there until the top is brown. This is the final product. Little crust on the top with the cheese. But it looks good.
So the dip's finished. So, you know, I gotta get the first scoop with the actual scoops. Are you ready?
one scoop is all I need. I just need one scoop, one scoop. Oh, nice little, you know, I'm gonna do it how they do on, what's his name does it on Dine and Dash, Diner, whatever, Diner, Dinings and Dash. He'd be like, ooh, the crust, the top layer, ooh, nice and crispy, you know, it's nice and juicy. Like how it flows, you know, the chips, they're, ooh, just roasted to perfection. I just love it. Now, time to try it. I like the crunch. I like the flavor from the hot wings. The hot wing sauce. The chicken is just pulled to perfection. Ooh, it's cooked. So exquisite. Gotta use big words, you know. This is amazing. What else you do? You gotta cut the camera off. I'll just take this off. This is amazing though, babe. This is amazing.
Thanks.
I don't know about anybody else, but this is it. This is it. Ooh. And you think it'll only be the first dip that you'll get it like that? No. It's two. I'm telling you, this is just elegance.
Good?
You can taste the cream cheese in there. Not over spicy, just the right amount of spice. You know, right amount of kick to make you know it's a buffalo dip.
Fire.
Magnificent.
So, if you guys liked my quick and easy recipe on how to make buffalo chicken dip, please thumbs up this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, comment below and let me know what you want to see. Subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Don't forget to hit the bell so you guys know exactly when we post a video.
Yep, you don't want to miss it. We got a lot of things up our sleeve. We do a lot of random things. So, if you don't want to miss it, hit the bell so we automatically know when we post something. And
I don't have sleeves, short sleeves, so I'm not really hiding anything. Maybe she is.
I got sleeves. I didn't get it, but I got sleeves. All right, so we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.